This is an $1,000 ham.
2011.
Joselito Ham from Spain is considered the best ham in the world. It's been around since 1868, 6 generations all within the same family. The free-range pigs are raised by a diet of acorns, rich in fatty acids, producing ham with fine marble. The pork is cured and then dry aged for 5 years. So right behind me is a $1,000 piece of ham. It's probably the most expensive ham that I've ever seen in person.
They're raising the pigs, which are free-range pigs, raised for over 2 years and 100% free-range. And they eat pasture and acorns when it's the acorn season, which is normally between October, February. Joselito only produces 3 months a year, January, February and March, because all the oleic acids from the acorns are in the meat. And that's what we want. We want a fatty, juicy meat with lots of oleic acids. And that's only gonna happen right after the pigs had all that amount of acorn. Bear in mind that they ate between 8 to 10 kilos of acorn a day.
Yeah, by itself is really good, but I feel like on a piece of bread with a glass of wine is the way it's supposed to be eaten. It's actually oily just from picking up this dry aged piece of ham. I think specifically the chorizo is definitely my favorite. I like that added little bit of spice to it as well. Though the ham was dry aged, there was a significant amount of oil and fat that created a beautifully buttery taste, savory, earthy, and full of flavor. You can find their ham at Pusateris in Toronto. If you want to find out more, look in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment because we put out videos every week and you won't want to miss it. Until next time.